Highland Links was founded in 1892, making it the oldest golf course on Cape Cod. It was part of a hotel and cottage resort owned and operated by Isaac Small and his family. When the original sand greens were converted to grass, Francis Ouimet opened the greens with an exhibition. Famed British journalist Alistair Cook once stated that Highland Links was the perfect example of British and Scottish links in the United States. It's a simple place that harkens back to a simpler time. It's a minimalist golf course before minimalism became all the rage in golf course design. No irrigation system, just fescue, heather, wildflowers, and scrub pines, nurtured by Mother Nature and all of her fickle behavior. The working lighthouse on the course was forced to move in 1996, but after being dark for 18 days during the move, it was lit again on November 3rd, 1996. This 9-hole course measures just over 2,500 yards, but it can prove to be a stern test of golf. The club you use one day can change dramatically the next day. The course is set in such a unique and idyllic setting. From the first tee, you see several FAA flight domes from a World War II surveillance station. The second hole is one of our favorites in New England. A memorial to the famed 19th century opera singer Jenny Lind serves as a backdrop as you stand on the elevated tee. You hit into the valley on this par 5 that is not long, but an accurate tee shot is required or your ball will vanish into the gorse. You stand on the tee on the uphill par 3 third hole and can't help but appreciate that this is what the founders of golf imagined back in Scotland. The 6th hole is a 464-yard par 5 that is either an easy birdie or a difficult par, depending on the wind. The 9th hole is just a 130-yard par 3, but one that was once chosen by Sports Illustrated as one of the best short par 3s in the country. The omnipresent lighthouse beautifully frames the background, but the beauty turns devilish when you approach the green. A severe 2-tiered green just beckons you to 3-putt. When you play, make time to visit the historical museum adjacent to the course, as it has some great photos and history. Highland Links is pure golf that embodies the spirit of golf.